Hi, my name is Dana, and I'm going to go through showing you how to teach addition strategies to your classroom using a free iPad app called Animal Adventure or Animals. Now, the strategy that I'm going to focus on today is the near tens strategy, or using your knowledge of the combinations of tens to solve closely related problems. And you can see that I'm going to use just one iPad to teach this lesson to my class by projecting it onto the wall. All right, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a new tool for solving addition problems. So we've already talked about a few strategies, right, when we're doing addition. We've talked about counting all, which is when you take the 9, you'd count them all up, you'd take the 3, you'd count them all up, and you'd count them together. That's the count all strategy. We know that strategy. The count on strategy, we would take one of the numbers, probably the bigger number, the 9, keep that in our head, and count on 3 more. We know the count on strategy. We've been practicing that a lot. Today we're going to use a new strategy, and it's called the tens strategy. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. We've done a lot of work with combinations of 10, right? Put a thumb up if you remember combinations of 10. So let me think in my head. Let's think of some combinations we know. What partner goes with 7 to make 10? That's right. 3 and 7 go together to make 10. Let's try to think of another combination of 10. What about 8? What's 8's partner to make 10? That's right, 8 and 2 make 10. So these are the combinations we're going to be thinking of. So this problem is 9 plus 3, and I'm going to think in my head, I know that 9 and 1 makes 10. Let's see if that can help me solve the problem. So I'm going to take the 9, and you can see there's 9. It doesn't quite fill up the 10 yet, but it's close. So we're going to break this 3, and you know what, let me turn the light off just to be able to see better. Okay, so we've taken our 9 block and we're filling up the 10. We're going to make a combination of 10 first. So we're going to take this 3 block and watch what we're going to do. It's going to move over here and we're going to use our whip, and it broke it into a 1 and a 2 because 3 we know we can break up into a 1 and a 2 block. So you can see that you fill the tens rod because we know 9 and 1 is 10, and we have 2 more left over. So we can think of adding 9 plus 3 as the same as adding 10 and then 2 more. So we're going to go ahead and solve that. Oops. And it's 12. Okay, let's try another one. This one's a little bit trickier. So let's use the tens tool again. Now, I want everyone to sit and think, what is the partner that goes with 7 to make 10? Don't say it out loud, hold it in your head. Okay, give me a thumbs up when you know it. Okay, so 7 and 3 are partners that make 10, right? But this is 7 and 2. So is this gonna be more or less than 10? Let me think about that. Let's move the 7 over. And let's see. I'm gonna bring the 2 over and look what happened. It didn't quite fill up the 10, right? Because there's still space for 1 more block. So we know that we can use what we know, that 7 and 3 is 10. 7 and 2 is just 1 less. So what's 1 number less than 10? That's right, it's 9. So we're going to go ahead. We're starting at the 5. And there we go, it's 9. And you can see it left that little space there for you. To find out more about our apps and our programs, please go to www.teachly.com, and you can also go to our YouTube channel to find out more videos like this.